Alright guys, it is time to get this started. We are going to go over to my mom's. We've got a birthday party that they threw for Teardrop and my other sister. So it's not a very long video. There's some stuff that I took out of it. Just because we're not doing the shock collar yet, but it's coming. It's going to be great. You guys done know that. But I got to show you this guy's truck. I have never seen a seat in such bad shape in my life. So he now has some bubble wrap to put his bottom on. So yeah, we got the bubble wrap seat in a good old Dodge. Let's check it out, guys. Be sure to give us a thumbs up, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll talk to you guys in a few. Let's go. You guys putting spiders in the box in their presents?
No. Oh, God, please. Oh, that's nice.
You don't like spiders?
Yeah. I need a lighter. You got spiders? Yeah.
I hate spiders. I do. Bryson. What are you doing, man? Summer. You ready to eat some cake and ice cream? You're not. Okay. All right. Go out and see what Giggly's doing. That didn't work out.
One face, lock, 0 faces.
So guys, you
one face,
remember the
large
car
face,
that,
face near
that
bottom
I
right
showed
edge.
you? Well, he
One
still
face,
can't
small
show
face,
it to
face
us.
near right.
He
One face,
broke it.
small face, face centered. 0 faces. Voiceover off.
You broke it. You're supposed to be able to show the YouTubers it actually running. You got it in a box, guys. No, it will though. He's gonna.
Well, here's about as close as I can get it.
But
That's as close as I can do that.
he's ordering different parts for it. And instead of it being plastic, he's ordering actual aluminum and steel, like the body mount, stuff like that. Because you flipped it, right?
Yeah.
Didn't it flip and it broke?
Yeah.
So yeah. Is it? It's called a body mount? Yeah. Basically, it looks like a rod, guys, about that long, about like that, and it's kind of like squarish looking on one end. It's got holes in it or whatever, but so we'll bring it to you though. We'll show it to you when he gets it back together, and I think you'll have it back up and running like 2021.
Donnie, this is what Tony got Greg. Bubble wrap for his truck.
Voiceover on. Camera. Landscape.
Hold on.
Stop recording video. Stop recording video. Stop recording video.
Let me see. What is it?
Bubble wrap
Oh my God.
for his truck.
He got that for his remote control truck?
No, for his truck for in here.
Oh, for his seat?
Yes, because his seat is broke. And this is what Tony made him.
Guys, you know what? I
One
gotta
face,
show
lock,
you.
0 faces.
I gotta show you his seat. I'm gonna show you right now. Y'all think, and you tell me how the hell you drive down the road like this. I think his ass is made out of flexi
One face.
steel or something.
One face, large face, 0
Look,
faces.
This is his seat,
And this goes to his seat.
and that goes to the seat.
Yes,
Look at this, you get, bro.
just like that. Did you sit on it?
Yeah.
Awesome.
How's it sit? You like it?
Pretty good. It's just that
What happens if he pops the bubble?
Tony's sitting on it.
Table.
Tony made him one too.
So
Careful when you come back.
Tony's seat's the same way.
Yeah.
Let's see if that makes a difference. Let's sit on this seat. Let's see.
One face, large face,
Better,
face
but
near
we
right edge.
still got a
0
problem.
faces.
What?
This?
What's that? Is that any good?
Yeah.
Dude, that's gotta be, how do you do that in the winter? You gotta freeze your hands off, bro.
You either wear gloves or hand it towards stuff.
Look at the steering wheel, guys. Oh my God. Look at that. look at his dash. Look at this. I mean, you don't even want to touch this dash. You touch it, it'll fall apart.
We're going to his house.
Okay?
I know, but us four's gonna go and make a day out of it. It is. Please. I know.
One face. One face. Not 0 faces.
You guys are gonna go see Elvis Presley? Where's Elvis's house at? Where's his house?
Talk to Sissy, Tennessee.
Nice.
One face. Large face. Face near bottom right edge.
Alright, I'm gonna run it.
0. One face. Large face.
All right.
Face near bottom right edge. 0 faces.
Well, you've got, at least you got some foam for your butt now. But anyways, that's
One
what
face.
it is,
Large
guys.
face. Face centered.
There you
0
go.
faces.
And we still got the best part
One
of the
face.
video
Large face.
coming.
Face.
So
0 faces.
hold on.
Stop recording video.